Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Forex PKS. Today is 29th of September 2021. Let's check out the introduction first before we go into the news and the chart. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so let's take a look at the news first. So yesterday, Tuesday, we have all the central bankers talking about Fed Chair Powell's, FOMC member Bernard Williams, FOMC member Williams speaking. So today, right, we also will have Wednesday, we have FOMC in the morning. Okay, I already went through Bowman and Bostic speaks. So today on the data, right, on the news data, we see pending home sales, we see crude oil inventories, we see today we got ECB President Lagarde speaks also. So we still got Government Bailey. So today is another Fed Chair Powell speak, another central banker day. Okay, so be careful on your trading. Tuesday and Wednesday, a lot of central bankers speaking. So will be quite unpredictable. Okay, but we do see USD actually strengthening, right, as predicted yesterday, right? I said that USD, right, a lot of investors will think that from the recent spike, okay, recent rebound of the US stock, right, US stock market, US indexes. So a lot of investors will think about getting short of USD, right? But yesterday we talked about, right, we have to see the big picture, right? The big picture is that the stock market aren't that great. Okay, no doubt, yes, last week we got some rebound, but it aren't great, right? It's still in a bearish mood. So therefore, I'm still bullish on USD, right? Okay, so never mind. Okay, let's check out. So today we got some news. Colorado government. Tomorrow, okay, we got BOJ government, Colorado going to speak. We got some FOMC member going to speak. So this is not so big. Okay, this is not so big. So the big one is today. So today is still considered unpredictable. So we got this pending home sales data coming in 1.1. Other than that, not too much. So this is just this week is most of the sentiment, right, will be brought by the central banker instead of the the report data, right? Like all these PMI report, all these report, right? Pending sales report. So this is not that important because we've got all these central bankers speaking. Okay, so be careful. So let's check out the chart. Okay, yesterday we talked about here, right? A lot of investor will think about, okay, it's time, most likely due to this could be a double top. Most likely the DXY is going to retrace, right? Going to retrace towards support 1, support 2. But I did highlight that I have a hunch, right, that the USD actually is going to be strengthened. Okay, so it did happen. USD actually broke through our resistance 1 area. Okay, just slightly above our the previous high. Okay, so what we want to see is a retest of 93.558. Okay, a rebound and the price goes above this one. Okay, it goes above the previous high here. Then there is an opportunity to trade. Okay, opportunity to buy in once the price goes above 93.799. So we are waiting for a retest. Okay, due to the consolidation over here, right? A lot of consolidation. As I said, 2, 3 candle, 4 candles still okay, but this is too many candle over here, so we want to wait for a retest and resumption. Okay, so there is still possibility, but I'm not saying that it got no chance it will come back down to support one because we are still having central bankers talking today, so there is anything still can happen. So there's still a possibility that the price can come back to support one and rebound. Okay, but as for now, right, as for yesterday close, right, it's quite clear that the USD is strengthening. Okay, it's quite clear that USD is strengthening. So we still continue to look for buy opportunity. Euro USD, that one was DXY. So UAE USD also, okay, slightly strengthening, but there's a but here. So we want it to go through support one first, 1.1667. Okay, we want it to go through here, then only there's a possibility to trade towards support 2. If it cannot go through, okay, because you see there's a tail bar over here, right, means there's a lot of rejection over here. So the bears are defending this area, defending at support 1. Okay, 1.16679. So the bulls are still very strong here, so we want to wait for a break. Okay, the break of the bulls, then only we will go into the trade. So there's still a possibility, okay, the price could come back to resistance 1, rebound over here, or come back to resistance 2 area, rebound, rejection. Okay, but it is quite highly likely now, okay, looking at this, okay, the price could go above support 1, retest and rejection down. Okay, so we are bullish on USD for now. So this one we got double top, could be a double top here, okay, but don't assume a double top before a double top actually happen. Okay, so this looks like a double top, but we already profit from here. Okay, don't forget, right, the break of this, okay, we talk about a profit target, first target and second target. So this one actually both hit both target. Okay, okay, so this one actually hit both our target. Let me write. Let me write properly. Okay, hit both target. So this one, right? Now what we want to see, okay, we want to wait for a retracement, possible to R2 or R1, okay, a rebound, opportunity to buy, or a retracement to R1, opportunity to buy, or the price goes through, okay, R3, opportunity to buy. Okay, if it goes through direct after the second candle, third candle, we will go in after the break, okay, after the 4-hour break. If it consolidate sometime over here, then we want to wait for a retest and resumption. Okay, so this one, okay, we already profit 2 trade, okay, 2 target, we already hit 2 target. AUD is still quite stubborn, very strong. It's still defending very well against the USD. So we are consolidating over here. So this one, okay, we are still looking to sell, remember. So this one we want to wait for a retest, okay, a break of the support 1, 0.7237, retest resumption towards support 2, 0.71065. Okay, or the price do come down to resistance 1, rejection at resistance 1, okay, possible a sell or a resistance 2. Okay, so now we are still waiting. What happened for this? It couldn't break through support 1. If it breaks through support 1, then there's a possibility of a trade. Okay, these 2 days. So wait and see. USDCAD. So USD has strengthened against CAD despite the oil is going skyrocketing very high. Okay, 75. The crude oil is 75, 76, very high. But due to the risk-off sentiment in US, right? Okay, so later we look at the index. So this one, USD has strengthened, but there's no no signal for us to go in. Okay, no signal. This one, if you buy in, we are buying to resistance, so there is no opportunity to trade yet. I actually hope the price actually could come lower before it rebound. Okay, so it rebound over here, there's no space to, no gap to trade. Okay, so this one we have to ignore this first. Look at pound. Okay, pound, what a big drop, right? So now, okay, it has broken through this. It's a broken through all this. Okay, all this rejection, all this support area, all these three support areas. So you can look at now the USD is much more stronger. So we are waiting for a retest and resumption. Okay, retest and resumption. So there is if you get a bearish price action over here at support 1, a pin bar or a bearish engulfing candle, okay, possible there's sell opportunity, or you wait for the 1 2 3 continuation. Okay, 1 2 3 continuation, 1 2 3 continuation. Okay, the break, okay, for a sell opportunity. Oops. Okay, so this one possible trade also. AUD NZD, we talk about the break of this, right? The break of the support 1, okay, can sell towards support 2, okay. So this one price almost hit the target. Okay, maybe you want to wait for a while. I think this one the price should slowly, okay, creep up to support 2. Even there's possibility that the price can come to support 3. I don't want to put it that far away. Let me move this one a little bit. Okay, 0.6817. Okay, but look at support 2 first, 0.6928. Oops, it is here. The support 3, it is here. 0.6800. Okay. So this one short term, okay, take profit at S2. If you are long term, maybe there's a chance for S3. You have to wait what happened to S2 first. Okay. So this one already another trade. Go. Okay, go. It's a 1 2 3 continuation. So the price broke through, now coming back again. Coming back to retest. We look at 4 hours first. What happened? Okay, it's coming back to retest this support line. Okay, okay, let me bring it down a bit. Okay, remember 1 2 3 continuation. So a break of this, okay, possible sell opportunity here, but the price starting to retrace quite a lot. Okay, more than expected, but there is a, you know, the support area is around here. So as long as it don't retrace, it don't goes up too much, it's still okay. Okay, the price should continue to go down. Okay, there's one of the reason that gold, okay, is losing a bit of a demand because now the US Treasury, right, Treasury yield is quite high. Okay, it's quite high. That's why a lot of market has actually went to a risk-off environment. Okay, where they want to put their money on a more stable, okay, more stable asset. Okay, including the yield, Treasury yield, possible also USD and possible JPY. But USD is still gaining a lot of above JPY, so there is this one. Okay, the sell trade still possible for XAUUSD. So look at the SPI, right? SPI, we talk about the pin bar over here, a sell opportunity, right? So another, okay, another trade that has worked out in our favor. Okay, the sell towards support 2. So yesterday we talked about this pin bar. We want to sell after the development of this pin bar, right? So already hit our target, almost even hit the support 3. Okay, so this one retake profit. So wait for the rebound. Okay, wait for the retracement. Okay, retracement, rejection at support 1 for sell opportunity, or possible there is a short retracement, rebound, rejection from support 2 to support 3. Next, we are not trading this due to this sideways market. So looks like the market is going down. Okay, now it broke through the resistance, support 1 already. So now we want to see a retest of support 1. Okay, rejection, a pin bar or bearish engulfing candle here. We we would like to take the trade from support 1 to support 2. So there's many trades, suddenly many trade opportunity develop here, okay? Just monitor, okay, keep on monitor. So NASDAQ has dropped below our buyer's line, now it's retesting, so we're waiting for a, okay, retest, resumption, okay, for a sell opportunity, okay? So market has gone to risk off. You can see, right, the stock market in US, the global stock market has dropped, suddenly dropped, big drop, right? Okay, so this one also opportunity here. So many opportunity to monitor, right? See market big drop, risk off. So the market couldn't break through the downtrend trend line, right? So the market is still bearish. Okay, this one is similar. Okay, we have a downtrend trend line over here. Okay, so market cannot break through. NASDAQ, similar. Okay, we got a downtrend trend line over here. Okay, so you see the market got rejected. Okay, so we're still looking to sell this NASDAQ and Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones. Yesterday I talked about this pin bar, right? There's a possibility we might want to close this trade. Okay, because development of uncertainty over here, pin bar up, bullish pin bar and bearish pin bar, so uncertainty. Then at end of the day, okay, the bears win, so it break down. So this one we are still looking for sell opportunity. So if we get a retest at support 1 and rejection, okay, we want to possible open a trade, sell trade over here on a pin bar or a, okay, bearish engulfing, okay, possible opportunity here. S&P also big drop, okay, big drop below our buyer's line. So S&P also similar, okay, we want to wait on retest, resumption. As S1 we got a bearish pin bar over here, or okay, a bullish bearish engulfing candle over here. Then possible there is a possible to sell from support 1 4733 to support 2 4261. But it's I need to highlight, okay, there's one support area over here, so we also need to watch out over here also. Okay, 4307. So Bitcoin continue to drop. So as I said, September is Bitcoin, Ethereum continue to be holding at this area. So these are the bearish month. Litecoin drop a lot. Okay, Litecoin continue to drop. So SRP also continue to drop. So these are bad month for crypto. As long as the US stock market is falling, right, crypto normally will follow. Okay, but don't forget, you see NASDAQ, all this, right? Okay, you see NASDAQ, all this, they're still inside this bullish channel, right? So there is a possibility that the price will rebound from the bottom channel. Okay, so we are not saying that risk off environment all the way. Okay, but there is still some support over here. Look at the weekly. Okay, this one is a bit broken out the channel. But this one is a bit difficult to draw because the candle over here actually broken out quite some time ago. I think now it's better we follow this. I think it's better we follow this channel. This would be the more accurate for now. Okay, so it's still slightly bullish. Okay, so the Dow Jones are still inside this bullish channel. Okay, still inside the bullish channel. So don't play out the US stock market. Okay, don't play out the US stock market. First S&P. Okay, S&P a bit. This is worse. Okay, this has already dropped out. Okay, drop out of the channel, so it's not so bullish on this currently for this S&P. So S&P is a bit weaker, okay, compared to the others. So okay, so just these are the pair to monitor. These are the setup to monitor at DXY, USDJPY, AUDUSD, Pound USD, nzdusd. nzdusd already almost take profit, okay, almost take profit. So USDJPY actually already take profit. Okay, so this one I think maybe I remove the highlight first because this one already take profit. This one wait for a retest. This one almost take profit. Maybe I unflag first. Okay. So these are the DXY, AUD USD, Pound USD, XAU USD, SPI, DAX, NASDAQ, also the Dow Jones. Okay, so these are the pair to monitor. There's possible opportunity coming in. Okay, coming very soon. Okay, for the that's why we don't trade. That's why you see we don't trade this one, right? We don't trade Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency, right? Because cryptocurrency is very highly manipulated. As we know, these are the important asset in the new era, right? Of what do you call it? The new technology era, right? When okay, digital gold is slowly going to replace the real gold, right? So we want to hold something that is going to be okay, going to yield a lot of value, okay, in the coming future. Okay, this is why I myself buy the digital currency. And also always, of course, this is not gold, okay, this is not tangible asset like gold. Okay, even though anything happen, you take the gold, you keep it for maybe 20 years, 10 years, it's still the value will still go up a lot. But this one, digital currency, it can be wiped out, okay. If there's a crisis, digital crisis or whatever, it still can wipe out it to zero. Okay, make sure we invest in all these digital currency, right? These are Bitcoin, all this cryptocurrency, with amount money that you can afford to lose, okay. So we are not saying that it can guarantee go so high or it can go to zero, but this is a new opportunity, right, to accumulate a lot of money, okay, a lot of gain, not to say a lot of money, a lot of gain, okay, in this digital age, okay, digital age where everything is moving to digital and NFT, digital bank, all these things. So this is the one of the asset that it can, okay, make us a lot of return, okay, compared to stock market, all those, right? All those, yes, stock market, yes, still can make a lot of money from there. And of course, trading currency, yes, okay, these are our daily routine, right? But this one is something that I want to hold instead of gold. Okay, I hold this. Okay, of course we have to have our portfolio, have to have tangible asset. Okay, we have this real estate, okay, investment. We have flowing, okay, what you call it, liquid money, okay, to trade, okay, in the stock market and trading this Forex, right? Okay, this is where our money flow every day in and out, and we want to also keep a part of our investment portfolio into this, okay, this type of long-term digital gold that we think, digital gold, which is this cryptocurrency that we think going to give us many fold, many time yield in coming years, right? So that is how we invest. And don't throw all your money into our single asset unless you are Warren Buffett. You know exactly what you're doing. You actually done a research 100%, right? In-depth research on anything that they invest, right? Like Warren Buffett, okay, he do a very in-depth, okay, and he have in-depth knowledge on something that he want to invest. He know everything inside out, outside in, inside out, okay. Then he invest, maybe he can throw a lot of money to just one asset. But if we don't do that, okay, better be diversify, okay, some in tangible, some in non-tangible, okay. Okay, so that's it for today. Stay safe from COVID. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.